On. On means something is touching the top surface. Example sentence. The cat is on the box. In. In means inside something. Now look carefully. The cat is inside the box. Example sentence. The cat is in the box. Over. Over means above something while moving. Now the cat jumps. The cat jumps over the box. Example sentence. The cat jumps over the box. Under. Under means below something. Now the cat is hiding. The cat is under the table. Example sentence. The cat is under the table. In front of. In front of means something is before something and facing it. Now the cat sits before the box. Example sentence. The cat is in front of the box. Up. Up means moving to a higher position. Now the cat jumps. The cat jumps up. Example sentence. The cat jumps up from the ground. Down. Down means moving to a lower place. Now the cat jumps down. Example sentence. The cat jumps down from the tree. Far. Far means a long distance away. Look at the cat and the box. Example sentence. The cat is far from the box. Near. Near means close to something. Now the cat sits close to the box. Example sentence. The cat is near the box. Opposite. Opposite means facing something from the other side. Now the cat sits on the other side of the box. Example sentence. The cat is opposite the dog. Behind. Behind means at the back of something. Now the cat hides behind the box. Example sentence. The cat is behind the box. Between. Between means in the middle of two things. Now there are two boxes. The cat sits between the boxes. Example sentence. The cat is between two boxes. Around. Around means moving in a circle around something. Now the cat walks in a circle around something. Example sentence. The cat walks around the pole. Beside. Beside means next to something. The cat sits next to the box. Example sentence. The cat is beside the box. Into. Into means moving from outside to inside. Now the cat jumps inside the box. Example sentence. The cat jumps into the box. Through. Through means moving from one side to the other side inside something. Now the cat moves through the box. Example sentence. The cat moves through the box. First. First means at the beginning. Now we have a line. The cat stands first. Example sentence. The cat is first in the line. Last. Last means at the end. Now the cat moves to the end. Example sentence. The cat is last in the line. Out of. Out of means moving from inside to outside. Now the cat jumps out. Example sentence. The cat jumps out of the box. Among. Among means in the middle of many things. Now many cats surround the brown cat. Example sentence. The cat is among the cats. Across. Across means from one side to the other side. The cat walks or jumps from one side to another. Example sentence. The cat walks or jumps across the bridge. Past. Past means going by something without stopping. Now the cat runs past the box. Example sentence. The cat runs past the box. Along. Along means moving in a line beside something. Now the cat walks along the path. Example sentence. The cat walks along the path.